This has been a wonderful start to the Tata IPL 2025 at this magnificent venue where the crowd was supporting KKR as they must, but there were enough chants of RCB. And hopefully that is the way it will be everywhere we go. So welcome to this post-match presentation ceremony at the Tata Indian Premier League 2025. BCCI would like to thank all the sponsors of the Tata IPL. That's Tata, My 11 Circle, Angel One, Rupee, Wonder Cement and SIAT. To give away the awards, Mr. Arun Singh Dhumal, Chairman of the IPL, he's here today. President of the CAB, Mr. Snehashish Ganguly. Mr. Vivek Shrivats, Vice President and Chief Commercial Officer, Tata Passenger Electric Mobility Limited. Representing My 11 Circle is AVP Brand Marketing, Mr. Avik Kanungo. From Angel One, the Managing Director, Mr. Dinesh Thakkar. Mr. Akash Raghav is the Rupee representative. Representing BKT is Mr. Anshak Puri. And a familiar face, the CEO of the Kolkata Knight Riders, Mr. Venki Mysore. Our first award is the Curve Super Striker of the match. Mr. Vivek Srivats will present the award to Rajat Patidar. 34 of a mere 16 balls at a strike rate of 212.5, including that astonishing shot of Harshit Rana, which we'll talk to him about hopefully later. Our next award is the My 11 Circle Fantasy King of the match. Mr. Avik Kanungo will present the trophy to someone who wins it all the time, Sunil Narayan, for scoring 126 fantasy points. Made 44 of 26 balls and then bowled his 4 overs as he always does, 1 for 27. Now the Angel One Super Sixes of the match. Mr. Dinesh Thakkar will present the award to the home captain, Ajinkya Rahane. 4 sixes in the match for Ajinkya Rahane. Mr. Dinesh Thakkar presenting the award. Now time to move on to the Rupee On The Go Fours of the match award. Mr. Akash Raghav will present the trophy to Phil Salt, hitting 9 fours in the match, coming back to a ground where he did so well and starting off for RCB. Very interesting, the next award, the Tata IPL Green Dot Ball of the match award. Mr. Arun Singh Dhumal will present the award to Josh Hazlewood. 16 dot balls for Josh Hazlewood. Josh, you just helped 288 trees being planted. I guess 287 now, he's got to carry one with him. It's time now to welcome the captain of RCB. Wonderful first day at work, Rajat Patidar. Batted beautifully, led the side very well. Well done, Rajat. First day on the job, like going to a new school, new college. How much did you enjoy it? Were you under pressure? Did you enjoy it?
Of course, there was a pressure, but I think it was a good day for me if we kept winning like this. So I think, yeah, it will be good for me.
Okay, let me ask you about the captaincy first. Very interesting, you brought Suyash Sharma back late when he'd already conceded 41 of 3. He gave you a wicket. Tell me the thinking behind that.
That was pretty clear from me. We want that wicket, Andre Russell, and I don't mind Suyash giving runs, but he was our top bowler, and I think he was our main wicket-taking bowler at that time, so I backed him.
Before the tournament started, even Andy Flower referred to it that there was suggestion that maybe RCB was a little weak on spin. How good were Krunal Pandya and Suyash today?
I think all credit goes to both the bowlers because coming after 13 overs and 13 for I think they were 130 something. So I think from there they have came and shown courage and determination. The mindset of taking wicket, I think that was really amazing.
How long did it take to sink in that your captain and Virat Kohli is in the team?
I think it's feel great, you know, when you have a player like him with you who supports you a lot. And for me, I think it's a great opportunity to learn from one of the best players of the cricket. I think there were nice group of leaders we have. So I think it's a great opportunity for me to learn from them.
Well, he rates you very high. Just one quick one on your own batting. You played one shot of Harshit Rana over point. Tell us about that shot, because we were all in admiration.
That was predetermined shot. I was going over the covers, but the ball, I think it's quite nipping the ball at that time. So I think it's gone automatically. I was going through covers.
Well done. You're captain of a team with the biggest fan base. Hope it goes well for you.
Thank you so much.
There you go. Well done, Rajat Patidar, on his first day as captain of RCB, and they've got points on the board. It's time now for the player of the match award. Mr. Anshak Puri and Mr. Venki Mysore will present the award to Krunal Pandya. 4 overs, 3 for 29 on a day when the batters made merry for most of the time. He produced the game-changing performance, not for the first time. Well done to Krunal Pandya. A trophy and a microphone. Krunal, you're equally good at both. Tell us about your bowling today. You came back in the 11th over. It's 107 for 1 of 10 overs. What are you thinking getting the ball at that stage?
Nothing. I just realized, sometimes when you again play in so much of crowd, you have to narrow down your focus, right? So again, when I came in second over, I made a very conscious effort to just narrow down my focus where I wanted to bowl. And if I want to get hit, I'll get hit on a good ball, right? So that was the thought process, and glad that, I was able to deliver.
Interesting the pace at which you were bowling today. You're bowling pretty quick. Occasionally, there was a lot of change of pace, but there were some balls you were bowling really quick today.
Yeah, I mean, again, you have to go with the flow, how cricket is also evolving right now. The skill set what batters have these days, right? The ability to hit sixes or hit good shots consistently. So you have to also make sure that how can you up your game, So, yeah, I mean, that was one of the reasons where I wanted to bowl quick, where I wanted to give less time. And then again, my change of pace, though actually change of pace word has been used with fast bowler, but I can use with myself. So that change of pace bowling slow also does come handy when I bowl that quick ball.
You bowled a bouncer. Is there a signal when you bowl that ball to the keeper?
I mean, yeah, now Jitesh knows I can do anytime I can do anything, whether it's a wide Yorker or a bouncer. So he's quite well aware of it. And yeah, it's just, if you have something in your armory and you can use it to your advantage, why not?
How's it like playing in the colors of RCB now and being the lead spinner, in a sense? The spin attack revolves around you.
I mean, yeah, it's been amazing. Again, when I got into the team, then I realized how much madness it is about when it comes to RCB, So it's been a pretty amazing feeling, and the way crowd support you get wherever you go, whether it's Bangalore, I was playing domestic cricket over there, also people were chanting RCB. So I mean, yeah, it feels good, when crowd is backing you, and it's been a great feeling, last 10 days I have joined the team. It's been pretty good.
Well done. It was a magnificent performance today, and congratulations.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Right, there you are, with so many runs being scored. It's a bowler who's the player of the match. And that ends this presentation at the end of a wonderful cricket match.